All right, hello and welcome to another live trading session with Steady Income Trading. Today is day before the 4th of July, Wednesday, and we are getting ready to put on another trade here. As usual, we'll check the numbers here, which I already put in. And as you can see, our metrics are very low. We'll just go ahead and put on another trade. Now, one thing is tomorrow, we're not doing any trading, obviously, and then Friday, I have some plans, so I'd rather schedule my next trade for Monday. And here is a simple way to do that. We'll see if it works as I imagine. Like if you take a look at your workday target premium right here, it's 219. So I think if we go somewhere close to 3 days, maybe over 2.5 times this, it'll pop us up for 3 working days from today, which should be Monday. So I think as long as we sell more than say, what is it? 2 times would be, I don't know, 550 or something. I think it'll let me just see if I do this real quick. 219 times 2.5. So let's try and get in a little over 550 and see if that'll give us Monday. That'll be all right. And then after that, we'll see if we're still under allocated, underexposed, and then we'll make a decision whether we'll keep a couple of trades going on a few more days. Obviously, market's being up, and for those that are waiting for a pullback, they've been waiting for a long time. I don't do that. I know sooner or later I'll catch a WIX spike and the market downturn, but you know the alternative is to wait, and then you can wait for a long time, and that's not what the scheduled trading is about. So I just go about my business. I put a trade on as the metrics allow, and I don't try to time the market, even if it seems overextended as it is right now. We don't know, we can stay like that for a long time. So let's go ahead and by the way, let's just quickly check the VIX. I think it was in 12 handle, so 12.13, and that means we're looking for around 13 in our delta. And then also we'll introduce something that I've been working on, and I'm going to go into more detail in the future videos, but I call it dynamic PDS. Instead of doing the static PDS that we normally do, we will be varying it with the VIX as we do our naked put or naked puts. And I'll explain the reasons why and all that in some other video, but just so you know, that's something that I'm working on to further improve the strategy. So let's go back here, go to trading, go for 107 probably. There you go, the 13 delta is available. And if we go to 3 trades, it's just under 550, and I really want to see if that now 700 is just the borderline maximum that we want to be selling as a single trade, because this is right around 1% of our net lick. So we could do that. It's slightly more aggressive than our previous trades, but you know what, we're not going to do that because that's a little bit too much difference between. I want to keep my trades roughly in the same neighborhood to make sure that the probabilities work out properly. But instead, we'll just skip a day and go for Monday if it gives us Friday as a trading day. So let's do this. Let's see if we can get a full amount. And if not, we'll go to activity, replace, shave a quarter off, go here. All right, we got that. And then, as you know, the usual, we go to this one, 35 times 3 and times 5, 525, and then times 0.2, it's 105. So we don't want to spend more than 105, including commissions for both naked puts and PDS, which means we want to spend around $90. And given the low VIX, we're going to go to a lower delta, and let's see, 78, and let's go to, so normally we would be looking somewhere in this neighborhood. As a part of this dynamic PDS, we'll be lowering the delta, and I'll be doing some more precise numbers in the future, but right now let's just go around here and see what we can get for $90. And here we go, we're getting 150. that's what we're gonna do. That's fine. And let's see if we can close that. And then if not, we'll just replace it, pay a little bit more. Now, if that doesn't close, then we're gonna cancel and replace the order because we don't want to be spending more than planned. So it looks like it's not going. So we're gonna cancel this one, go back to trade, and let's go back here. So let's see if we go here and then instead of going, let's go here. Let's just play a little bit. Let's go here and then we'll pay up a little bit just to get it closed. All right, so that's filled. Let's now fill up the yachts tab, and this is trade number 79 in MES, today's date. VIX at opening was 12.13. We did a 13 delta, and the strike was 51.50. 51.50, and this was in 107, I think, correct. And we got $35 for 3 trades, and put debit spread at 53. Was it 53.50? Let me double check. No, 53.25, 51.75, 53.25, 51.75. And this was in 78 days. We paid 16.50, so minus 16.50 for one of those. All right, so we underspent slightly, but that's okay. And we go back to the main. So as I suspected, it still gave us Friday as a trading day. I'm not sure if I can make it. I have some plans, but if I can make it, I'll make a trade. If not, I'll just make it on Monday. Not a big deal. And let's now redo these numbers just to see if we're still under allocated. So delta now has changed, and it's gonna be 107.63, 63. We got minus 620, but it already says that we are not. It says no right here, but if we are not, let's just see. We can partially close. Maybe we can close just one trade out of 2 that are eligible. So we'll do that. We'll go back here. You can see right here we have 2 trades, 6 naked puts right here that are at 66%. So why don't we just go and close default quantity 1, then we'll increase it. I'm sorry, increase it to 3. Let's see if we can 3. All right. Looks like we're gonna have to go up a little bit. All right. So now we close this for 1075, and this was September 20th, 4800. So we go right here, September 20th, 4800. That's the one right here. This is probably a mistake here. This should be one. Yeah, that's the one right here, 4800. And we paid minus 1075 today's date, and that's now closed for 63 PCR premium capture rate. And then we can go back here and refresh the numbers. 158, 100, and then 58, and then 582 minus 582. Buying power used is, and then we refresh this one, 17.1, 17.1, and notional to Netlink 1147. We have 3.3, and now we're back to yes, which means we are a little bit under allocated, and that means we are able to leave this trade, the 3 naked puts, go a little bit further. They're at 768 right now. We let them go further. Yeah, of course, we could have left all of them, but that means we're breaking the plan. We're taking a little bit more risk than we planned to. So until we have a solid confirmation that our numbers are maybe too tight, we're gonna just follow the plan and close it so. That's all I have. Nothing else. So with that, have a fantastic 4th of July tomorrow, and I will see you Friday or Monday. Thank you very much, and make sure you like the video if you find it useful.